Good morning, student. In this chapter, demand analysis, we will see our last topic, variation in demand. Variation means changes. Now, what is meant by variation in demand? It is important question as per your exam point of view. Now, let us see what is meant by demand analysis. When the demand of any commodity changes, that is increase or decrease due to change in its price, it is called variation in demand. Here, under variation of demand, the reason of changing in the demand of quantity of commodity is only the price. The demand will affect due to change in the price, and other constant, that is income of consumer, taste, habit, fashions, these all remain constant. Other factor remain constant and the price will change, and due to change in the price only the demand will also changes. That is called variation in demand. There are in this, it is of two types. First, expansion of demand, and second, contraction of demand. Now let us see the first. What is meant by expansion? Increase. Expansion of demand. Expansion of demand means when the demand of any product increases due to decrease, falls in the price, it is called expansion of demand. What is meant by expansion of demand? When the demand of any product or commodity increases due to decrease in its price. Then it is called expansion of demand. Now you can see that expansion of demand with the help of this graph. Here quantity demanded are shown on x-axis and price on y-axis. When price is P1, demand is Q1 highest. When price increases to P, demand is decreases to Q. Now with the help of that we can say that the demand will change only due to change in the price of commodity. But here we have to see the expansion of demand, means increase of demand, increment in demand. When demand increases due to decrease in the price of any commodity or product, then it will call expansion of demand. Now next, contraction, decline of demand. What is meant by contraction of demand? Same opposite of expansion of demand. In expansion of demand, demand increases due to decrease in price. Here it will be same opposite. When the demand of any product decreases, decline due to rise or increase in the price of that commodity, then it is called contraction of demand. Now in this graphical representation you can see that when P1, when price is P, demand Q. When price P2, demand Q2. It is the demand curve. You can see that the demand curve, it is an inverse relationship between demand and quantity demanded and the price. When price increase, demand decrease, demand increase, price decrease. When the demand of any product decreases due to rise in the price, then it will call contraction of demand. Now next, one is changes in demand. What is meant by variation in demand and changes in demand? Both are, if we see the meaning, but we think that both are same, but little bit difference is that variation in demand, demand changes due to change in the price. And here in changes in demand, when the demand changes due to change in other factor other than price, then it is called changes in demand. But for example, here the demand of any product or commodity changes due to change in the other factor. It means price remain constant, price of commodity will not change. The demand which will change due to change in the other factor, that is size of population, taste, habit, fashion, income of consumer, taxation policy, these all other factor. Due to change in these other factor, if demand changes, that will call changes in demand. That will call changes in demand. Now it is also have two types, increase in demand and decrease in demand. What is meant by increase in demand? When demand increases due to change in the other factor other than price, it is called increase in demand. For example, demand increases due to increase in the income of consumers. If consumer income increases, they will demand more commodity. Means here demand is increases, but the reason is increase in income, not the price. Prices remain same. Prices remain same, but the other factor, that is income of consumer, increases, and due to increase in the income of consumer, the demand of that product increases. It will call increase in demand. Next one, decrease in demand. What will be the decrease in demand? Same opposite of increase in demand. When the demand decreases due to change in the other factor other than price, it is called decrease in demand. That is decrease in the income of consumer. When the demand of any commodity falls, decreases due to other factor other than price, then it will call decrease in demand. For example, demand decreases, if consumer income decreases due to decline their income, they will demand less commodity. The demand will also decreases. It will call decrease in demand. Now here, dear student, we had seen the law of demand, assumption, assumption and changes in demand, variation in demand. Hope you will understand the changes and variation in demand, that is expansion, contraction, increase and decrease in demand. If you want more video, then comment in comment box. If you have any suggestion, and then you can also suggest your suggestion in comment box. So friends, students, like and share our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.